I will teach you guys how you guys can fix your ChatGPT conversation not appearing problem. So what is this problem? First we will discuss that, alright? So as you guys can see, all the things I've searched on my ChatGPT until now is being shown over here. But in your case, and if it shows not seeing what you should be seeing instead of all the search, so this is basically your search history of ChatGPT, alright? In a simple term. So if you're not seeing anything over here, let me tell you how to fix that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First, make sure you haven't cleared your data, alright? Because you can clear your search history on ChatGPT. And if you have done that, then you cannot see anything over here because you have deleted your history. So make sure you haven't done that. And if you have not deleted your history and it still doesn't show you anything, easiest way is just click on the, refresh browser option. So I'm going to reload this page and make sure you refresh your browser. Reloading and refreshing means the same thing, alright? And if it still doesn't fix your problem even after doing this, just log out from your account and log in again. To log out, you can just click on the three dot right below over here beside your name. Click on log out. You should be logged out of ChatGPT. Once you log out, re-log in into your account again by clicking on login and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix your ChatGPT conversation not available problem. And if it still doesn't fix it, the other thing, the last option you can do is go on OpenAI support. Once you search for OpenAI support, click on this first option. Over here, you want to click on this little icon at the bottom. Over here, scroll down, choose send us a message, click on others, and then you can write your problem over here and talk with ChatGPT support and they will help you fix your problem. So that's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide and bye bye.